Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I tweeze my eyebrows. Normally I wax them and then I tweeze. We are during the quarantine time for the coronavirus, so I chose to only tweeze as I used to do it before. Let's get into it. It's so cute. I used to have red hair, so I picked this one for that. I never let my eyebrows grow this much. There's a trick that I would like to show you. The good way to actually tweeze your eyebrows very easily is right after you take a shower, because your skin is soft and the pores possibly are still open, and those are easier to tweeze, and it's not gonna hurt as much. So keep that in mind. You want to try that. You want to do it is you want to hold it, stretch your skin however you can. I just tried to go like this. You first want to take out all the ones that are in this area, and then you want to go slower in this area. So another trick I would like to show you here, you always want to tweeze more, and then you want to tweeze this area, so then the eyebrow goes like this. And then here, if you have the fuzzy hair, its best way is to tint them. That's another idea that will help to actually have more sharp eyebrows. My eyes are tearing. That's normal. My eyebrows go very long all the way to here, so I kind of trim them, make them shorter, and at all the way at the end I tweeze them. I also do the top layer, so I don't know if you can see it, but I have hair in the top layer also. Here you want to switch this on this side, you see? So you can catch one that you want to remove. That way you don't grab other hairs, because you want to be precise the closer you are to your eyebrow line. This way, you see, it's more precise. You can grab, and this is in angle for a reason. That way when you go like this, you're not poking yourself, but you're going like this. when you're tweezing this way, you're keeping this in an angle. So it's parallel to the skin. You're not poking like this, you're not going like this, you're going like this. On this left eye, you do the same. Make sure you keep this parallel. And you want to tweeze the ones that are outside of your like eyebrow line. During the process, it's a possibility that you might pinch yourself. It's normal. My God, this is gonna hurt a little. There's so much hair right here. You could literally make another brow with all the hair that I took out.
Got some gray hair.
So I'm doing the top one, and the most I want to remove is here, so you can bring this eyebrow always down. And here last you want to tweeze, because this area you always want to let it grow so it could give you a good arch. If you have lots of hair in this area, you can also tweeze. It'll make your eyebrow look way better. So far, I think it looks good. This is how you're going to actually know where the arch goes. This is all my natural eyebrows. They're not microbladed or anything. Just so to give you the information. Okay, the end, this, where you would pierce normally, goes like this. That's where your eyebrow should be ending. So as you can see, naturally I'm a little bit off. What I do when I put makeup is I make a little shade in this area and it looks better. The next one is from here, now where the piercing is. From here, you're gonna go, it'll look straight, and you're gonna go across your pupil. If you have something thinner, would work better, but let me try this. It's a dirty brush, but see, from here, across the pupil, and that's how you know where your arch is, which means your arch is right there, the highest point of your eyebrow. Third one is same thing from here, at the end of the corner of your eye, and then like that. That's where it's supposed to be ending. Even if you're drawing it, your eyebrows, that's how it's supposed to be. On this other one, you do the same thing, like this. And then like this. As you can see, this one is a little bit off. Maybe I took some more hair out. Like this. Like this. And like that. Like this. like this. And then like that. Okay, I hope you understood that. I'm gonna draw them a little bit. I'm gonna use this, and this is in medium brown. I don't have any primer or anything on right now, so I'm going plain on my skin. So underneath, you always want to make it darker. Eyebrows will never be the same, because not even our hands and feet and cheeks and eyes, and they're not the same. They're sisters, but not twins. Okay, I can see that that one is more round. Remember, here it's always supposed to be lighter, okay? So if you make them darker, just tap. Use a makeup sponge and go like this, so you can take some of it off. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I just want to point out that some tweezers are straight here, which is not a problem. Those are easy to use too, but this just happened to be like this, and I like it. I prefer this one better. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this video with somebody if you think that this would be helpful. If you know how to do it and you want to tell somebody, it's okay. Just copy the link, and sharing is free. Go ahead and just send it to their email, the link. If you have any information or you want to tell me how you do it, I would love to know. Just tell me in the comments, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I would highly appreciate if you subscribe, and if you're interested to see more of my videos coming up, you will be able to see my videos since you subscribed. Thank you, and bye bye. Have a great day. If you pinch your skin, you did not die. Just forgive yourself and you're gonna be okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay guys, one more thing, but you can find tweezers at Walmart or Target. The best brand, if you're interested, is also called, and it's called Tweezer Man. Those are the best brands, called the Tweezer Man. And here it is. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.